Lagos. The guy that just left the stage is like immediate let that brother. I'm gonna clap for him. That's why sharp. I'm saying I don't better money for offering. Then they said how like 1 person. Hold strong. No joke for this country again, no. Even joke, don't scare. Even this wakawa, the wakana, and a joke. I think come down and go say, why you track my waka? Everything done. I can't get mine though. You want to show, put only himself. You can't take us people like this. For Benin, you can't pull your picture. Say my mic and I. Now let your mic to come. Ladies and gentlemen, it's comedy meet music in the Asia city of Benin, featuring comedians. Akororo, 3 million. Acapella, 3 million. Godons, 5 million. Basketman, 6 million. Whiskey, 19 million. Two-Face, 35 million. Total, 75 million. When I'm not begging for tickets. I know go come. Everything don't work for this country. Every joke don't scarce. Some people they go out to the shout and God get joke. Bring another. That's my sense. To even blow for this country now, it has my brothers and sisters. To blow easy, 9,000 senators blow before it begins. I got to say follow my son on Instagram. Nothing there. I don't go show before. I go show. I never read the show. Now I don't let the MC doesn't crack my joke. Now I tell the other MC say if I crack joke, if you say they don't crack the joke before, me just do. I don't say they don't crack the joke. So now I say, ladies and gentlemen, I don't say, like I say. Now I said I'm not for this Lagos, like I say. I said I'm not saying I women for Lagos, like I say. You get what I'm going to do? I said, what's happening? So they don't crack down where you think. No show again. Now I'm not going to show the food like this. Now don't believe now. No show for Benin. Now Benin they'll call you don't do show. They'll give you dress code. They'll say yeah, red and red. When you read the show, you can't be saying now yellow line is the end of the year party. If you crack joke, it's the way they go down. Yes, my brothers and sisters. And they see Two-Face to Divya. God bless you. I don't want to clap for Two-Face. I want to clap for Two-Face. And then they try now. All this one, they don't promote music, tired. My state now, nothing again. Now only my state that they use gospel songs, advertise the Maria message. With the water, they hear on Christ, solid, Christ, oh Lord our God, c'est que c'est, oh Lord our God, c'est que c'est. Jesus root, and the root where they come out of body. All the stuff where they come out of all the cocoa. Yet Jesus root, my brother, come out of body one time. My brother and sister, that is the stuff between my German. Like the Lord, you can't be so rich. Jesus root, come out of my body. Oh Lord our God. Everywhere down again. This life now sense that they use. They dance, food don't finish for them. You know they just down. I think you say go black or go meet a friend for all. Say we go to church for the successful wedding party for all. As we reach the park, body go up. Come say now, Saraki with the chairman. As we reach the next Saraki, they say, MCs, why did you people pack to this party? I say, okay, I said only like to change party. No worry, they don't do it again now. You know, say that Lagos, that's a crack joke. You go say an intelligent joke. You go ask, understand the joke? Say no. When I reach out, I understand an intelligent joke. One guy go to one for Benin, he crack joke, they don't understand. I say, we don't understand the joke. Then they say, no, it's okay. When I reach out, I understand an intelligent joke. And that's called provoke men for them. Because they say, as you guys know, the people will know go school. Even if you don't go school, our get things are both intelligent. So after the show, when the guy they go out, when they call the guy intelligent comedian come. So we hit yourself, we don't go through. Correct guy, then beat the guy for 4 hours. Then ask the guy, you understand the beating? The guy said no. Then the guy say, okay, the intelligent beating. When you reach mortuary, now you go feel the pain. No, we don't do that. We don't do that. That's not it. country don't rent, my brothers and sisters. This country where people they smoke, they go, they advance, they go church, people they talk say, Buhari this, Buhari that. Then they go tell Buhari, I know they fear him. I know they fear Buhari. This country don't fail. I'm supposed to quarrel with that Buhari so that he go increase my personality. You see from Vanguard newspaper, a popular comedian in deep crisis with the president of Nigeria, Buhari. If my mama dey waka for village, my mama the people will tell mama say, mama I don't begin. We hear say your begin, they quarrel with Buhari, they say, I'm not one for us. So, my brothers and sisters, what they make me really best fast now, eh? Now guess. People dey always talk say, yes, they talk say what a man can do, women can do better. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many things we man fit do, we women no fit do. So many things. It's just that now women, God give wetin no dey do show. We men, once we dey in the mood, we must get wetin dey show. Even when you say you don't want this picture, you say you understand? I know why God no do for woman. Say for woman want, she said go get wetin dey show. Maybe if woman want, one of her ear go dey shake. Country now God dey call women angels. Hello, check the Bible. Now who be angels? Angel Lillian dey Bible. Angel Grace dey Bible. Angel Sita dey Bible. No be Angel Michael and Angel Gabriel. All the men wanna clap for themselves. And at this country because they call fat the angel. Angel dey fat. Who fat? I want to fly. No, the thing wey be the best. When I tell you say this thing wey dey so you no dey respect yourself. Now one day when I enter taxi for Benin, we dey drive dey go. I come sit down near the driver. Driver dey play blues, back not full. We just dey cruise, they go, small time. And the driver say, okay, make me shift, you want carry one fat girl for front. The girl everywhere equipped, now the girl comes down near me. Okay, for me to get space, I come put one leg for the driver side. So whenever they change gear, I come there between my leg. Driver they play blues, the motor they enter gallop. Me come stand up now, I come sit down and my son they come stand up. My son they come there the same level with the gear. We dey go now, we reach out now, driver wan change gear, I know they look where they go. Now my own call me call the shout out that drive your motor leave my own. Now another motor you dey drive so. I know say that the way I know to work, you want to see that so. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to drive. Yes!
This country is gone. Everybody go and get your visa. You don't get US, get UK. You don't get UK, get Canada. Make sure you have a visa because the year 2024, Nigeria will stop to exist. Because by 2023, I become your president. I will set this country January 2nd after the 2024. And people that want to send this country give, I will tell them, anybody want to meet from our land, don't arrest them. I tell my people now, don't vote for any. I'm not sure, I don't know him. But please, in the name of God, Two-Face, let me tell them they vote for Buhari. Because since the people are listening to since this country democracy started, there has never been a better president. We will always regret the previous one. We never regret when a person just do the shout, hey, Baba do this, when he come out, we never miss us. Jonathan talk, na woman, why the control, man come. Una begin miss Jonathan. Every comedian now, for Jonathan time, we dey miss Jonathan. Una go miss Buhari. As Two-Face now, Two-Face is not for rumors. When Jonathan dey, if you enter club, Jesus, go and listen. If you enter club, go see champagne. Wow! It's a Spain. your club last week. On Friday, now beer they drink Heineken. Oh, I shock I order for this new beer when they call King of Beer, Budweiser. They put fire on one side of oh, I have you. Open the building, comedian, the top please, son, Budweiser. All the bitches around him, open the VIP. Oh, God. If one thing next year, Two-Face, inside rumors, we go order Kulu. Hold on. That time, Two-Face, if you order Zopo, like you go sing for the person. If you know you are around, and you go for the person go out. Oh, God. This country is in a state of quagmire. We are passing through financial fiasco that is fiasco and catastrophic at the same time. We don't die, no. But this life not balance. You know, say federal government seek to lawyer for your land today. To Baba, federal government seek to lawyer for your land. It belongs to federal government today. But if now you go, now you get out. Ladies and gentlemen, two guys, they got their cycle. Some set of guys on the pop champagne. Oh boy. Then I want to go down when I can't go club for the first time. The guy get on you. We don't cycle up. Then the guy order small champagne. Away. For inside the club, they send him away 40,000. Here they drink camp. He never go club before. You don't know the routine. Small time, wow, now look, you say, what did happen here? Police will come here. I say no. Small time, they off music. What you hear now? Bam, bam. You know today, they off all the light. Only 2 days stand like they on top the drink when they come, and the table where else order the drink. Then the guy propose, say, what is happening here? Can I see the manager? The manager come and say, what is happening? Small time, not today. Now what's light? Then the manager turned and said, the time he heard one, that's siren. Somebody bought drink of 500,000. He said, what of you bang bang? Say somebody bought drink of 1 million. What at the time of the light? Say somebody bought drink of 1.5 million. He said, because of drink and money, now they're off light. I must drink another. I want you to go and off the generator. Hold on. I say I did cycle for Sapla, and they call the place TN. Some boys they do shit, they pop champagne, they throw away. For you, they call them pop. For Sapla, they call them throw away. Oh, my more throw away. They go under Ace of Spades, under different. Two Sapla was when they call them. And they control their guy. So when I show 2 seconds everywhere steal. 2 seconds everywhere steal. You know to fuck the guys but show and they order the waiter. Hey the waiter, bring 2 caskets sharply. Now the waiter answer, which champagne you want inside your casket? You don't know my usual, Heineken. They bring Heineken, this is where they open them, see where they pop Heineken. And that I know say beer, pop pass champagne. When I tell them, when I come down and say, well, forget, throw away. Everybody come and look there for the club. I shocked. The boys are proud though. Oh, but then they crazy. I won't get the club attention. They mad. I was sorry to enter time. You know, reach 2 weeks, the boys are drink. I reach outside, one guy won't obtain me. Now let us say, now you see boys when they beg money outside. Charlie, Baba, I will worship. Some people don't get that time. Some people will come meet you. To Baba. They feel you, they try. Not born them. If you born them, you'll get problem, you'll regret them. People will meet me. Shama, and they look at your face. Did I say in the heart? I know you. I call the bone the guy. He said, well, answer me now. Not me asking the heart mortuary scene. I social mortuary scene, say, but forget, God don't bless you, answer us, press and come. As I close my door, the guy hold the motor. Say, bros, wind down. I wind down.
Calm down now, find out something. Now we God will bless you. I got a team with you. Where they try to go, the boy pushing you. Oh, for your mind, this is another you get the word there. When you broke, we're going to announce you. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, I went to Canada. Tomorrow we'll do your show together for Toronto. When I clap, I'm going to appreciate progress. I can't believe that they smoke it both for Canada. See, that was the analyze a Canada experience, their jail experience. The first guy take drug. You know, man, the last time I went to jail, I got a great time, man. Jail. The other guy take drug. I don't like going to jail in July. I like being in town in July, man. The summer is right on point. Another guy take them like 8. All of them get jail experience. They ask one guy, when was the last time you went to jail this year? The guy said, man, I go to jail once in a year, man. I asked him when and why. I like going to jail in January, man. I said, why? I don't like the cold out here in winter. All of them don't share their jail experience. Only me, I don't get. Then one ask me, excuse me, man. You've never said anything about your jail experience. How many times have you been to jail this year? I said, you're crazy. First of all, remove the year, this year from that question. You go ask me, have you ever been to jail in your life? They're shocked. Jamie, you mean you've never been to jail? I said, I've never been to jail, man. All your life? How old are you? I said, I'm above 35. Above 35? You've never been to jail? Jamie, do you drink alcohol? I said, yeah. Do you drive vehicle? I said, yeah. You never been charged until you not? I said, no. You guys said, Jamie, you must be a hard-damn criminal, man. I know this man thing. Everybody from abroad, now they do men now. I enter Canada. I enter America. My guy tell me, say this America, you need to talk like American boy. At the end of your sentence, make sure you use the word man. I say me. Me and men, I will die. Anyway, I enter me and men. Excuse me, man. Can I get a bottle of water? Man. I think I'm hungry. Man. I'm going out. Man. I'll be back in 2 hours, man. I can't enter Iboma restaurant. I say, excuse me, man. You have a goosey soup, man. Iboma reply me. Yes, man. No matter how Iboma travel, the asset not the commodity. Okosha played football for Europe for over 25 years. When he come back, LG take and do advert. What do we hear? Eluji. Life is better for me. I enter one Iboma shop on a Monday morning. Forgiving me, this guy they drink Star. 8 a.m. on a Monday morning. I said, Namdi, you're drinking beer at this time of the day? He said, I leave that here. I got the back there. I said, 8 a.m. Who spoil your day this early? Tadia. Nobody will spoil my day. I said, I got the back there. Today, I'm my back there. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Idol. Thank you so much for your time. God bless you. You better move to the gate. We finally run before. And all running. The reason I run away. Oh, let you fix. You know, I don't have much time. If I had much time, I probably would have done songs like Only so don't take a smile away. Only I'm from today away. Oh, God, put your hands together for yourself. You know, Acapella is a wonderful guy. That guy is too much. I just came to support him. And it's his hustle
Every day we dey hustle. Man, no dey stop to hustle until the day wey he die. He no get enemy. Managing director, financial controller, chairman CEO. So what can I get done? Everyone in the hustle. January to December, I got the work for money. Everybody they find money, you know get enemy. January to December, we work for money. Everybody they find money, you know get enemy. So everything you want, I will give it to you. Now everything you need, tell me, I will give it to January to December, I got to work for money. Everybody they find money, you don't get money. January to December, they work for money. Everybody they find money, you don't get money. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
As long as I send it for you, it's cool.
Yeah, well done. Well, well done. When my capella will call see the guy when the to come outside. Personally, I'm not here to perform. I don't advise that boy really hear what, so I said to that advice and public. A capella is no longer a young man. I don't say they backstage, they hear me. I don't give up from now to the middle of next year. Either in marry or if this girl belly will go pay. Make we know it's a warrior. Because the family don't complain to you, everybody don't complain to me. So now small pieces of advice, wow, some of your friends say, hey, see you, Shakara. Shakara, now you the reason why Capella they give say make it never marry. Shakara, come on for road, make the guy marry. I don't know how to shove the winch together. The young man has done very well. He don't make money. I don't know what else the ruler. I don't like to give people advice. But you see, when you're close to me, I don't get choice. On my own. My friend wife show for my house. Okay, you need to talk to your friend. You need to talk to your friend. I don't like the way he's carrying you. The way when you behave, I don't want to behave. First of all, I distance myself. Because when women carry problem come, you don't know where they go. Before you know it, got all of them. I said, madam, I don't know, we are not like the same people. He's my friend, I've known him from school, but we are not the same kind of people. Because I don't know where the matter they go. He said, talk to him. Anytime I open my husband's phone, anytime I look my husband's phone, tears they come up from my eye. I said, madam, no, they look man's phone. Now, man's phone be like only us. The more you look and tears will come from my eye. He said, you see, if you're all the same kind of people, look at what you're saying. That's why I don't take time to bad person. You don't reach 2 weeks. The husband showed for my house with the same family problem. Okay, I beg you need to intervene. You know, say we they trust you for your advice. My brother, anytime I come back work, I can't cloth. Somebody they go draw money for my wallet. If I leave my wallet, somebody they go draw money. I can't accuse my wife because we share the bedroom. And I can't begin to accuse my children. And I can't complain. This thing is becoming too much. I thought I said, my brother, this is a family problem. But if you insist that you need solution, leave used condom wrapper inside your wallet, you will catch the person. 1 week later, him and his wife don't get major problem. They say that it's here their marriage. Not my fault. Because women are like that. When they don't call you panel like that, be careful. When they call you witness for your own house, avoid the case. And they give advice now, someone, but I know they pay attention. I saw one guy, they call a witness for your own house. Hey! Not very well. People must die according to age. All these people where they rule and they calculate for them, time for which they must work out with us. I don't travel around the world, my brother, there's nowhere to go to. The American visa where you won't collect, now they shoot people for mosque, they shoot for church, they shoot inside synagogue. You go shopping mall, you don't know where they want to shoot. You go airport, you don't know where they want to shoot. Make people go there here when we know who will shoot us. And I want the formula. Hey, back, clear. We are here for stop and search. You raise 2 hands, you raise 2 legs. If they want search from now to heaven, then search. Anything they no see, they leave you. If you go Yankee, those ones know they do pack. We are here for stop and search. They don't license them to carry all manner of gun, AK-47 anytime. They will just enter on and they drink, they begin shoot. When they arrest and you say nowhere. I know that that's the only place where if you say you know when you can kill people. But if you when you kill people, you will get problem. Talk. Me and some friends. I know they didn't quarrel with anybody this year. If you want to vote anybody, vote for her. We will suffer her together. That time I tell my friend, I say, guy, no go there. I say, okay, leave this thing. We want change. That is the first casualty of change. You know, these people, they call the second for work, they downsize company. Because they borrow money from my hand, and so, but don't find where you keep your change. When I leave me here, so this time I don't take the everyone, they really like you better. We go rub them together. I can't come and try everybody. Anyway, I came here to let you guys know that this young man who is having this event today, my very good friend, Capella, by Mike and I. Please, round of applause for Akapi. He's arguably one of the best comedians in Nigeria today. And I did promise that no matter where I be, I must return to the face for this thing we need to do. Despite how country red, he was able to pull off this thing. A lot don't go inside. He's a single man, he's available. So all the girls with the here with this single and such. Once he come out here, forget his performance. See his potential as a husband. Pay him a visit. But pay him a visit when goes clear. Because this red country where they now, not be the country where man go carry you, come out, come show, buy tables, sit down, spend money on a rich house. When you go cooperate with the brother, you begin to tell and say you dey cook stew. Women on need to stop that behavior. Now those kind of behavior, now they need to washing and setting. Who carry you come if you know you're in one kind of way, don't come outside, stay house. For a woman to take decision. If a woman decides I'm going to go out and I'm going to come back, nothing will happen. That's it, they won't do anything. That is why you see 2 girls that go on vacation, carry their bags, stay 1 week on vacation, visit places, go in and watch film, come back, no way. 2 guys don't go on vacation, they don't go find where they go carry. From the nature of our brain, the brain are 2, 1 here. This one goes school, this one is not educated, and they don't work the same time. Once this one is active, this one is sleeping. As soon as this brain wakes up, this one has to go to sleep. That is how your brain sisters understand it. That is why you will see an educated man will go burial. He understands the nature, the solemn nature of the event. He's focused, he's sympathizing and mourning with the family because this is the brain that is working. As soon as one fine girl make mistake, they where they cry, open leg, this brain wake up. Once he wake up, this one is going to sleep, whether I like him or not. Because at this point, the return of Bros look left. Bros look left. Bros go look left, see where they tell and say, behave yourself, this is a burial. This one will say, waiting concern you, now you kill him. You go pull out handkerchief, wipe your tears. This is my card. I walk into so and so, whatever the problem is, put it on my bill. Okay? I'm staying at the hotel next door. After this event, just bring the family problem to me. I will solve it. And this brain, like they control you.